Welcome to this easy two-step, tool-free assembly process for the Radius 24-inch snowplow. First, connect the shaft. Then thread the shaft bolt through the hole and secure it with the washer knob and tighten. Next, attach the shovel head to the shaft. Push the shaft down into the shovel head until you hear a click and meet firm resistance. You can do this on an elevated surface, but we recommend using the ground to ensure an extra tight fit. You will know if your shovel head and shaft are seated correctly if the screw head and holes line up at the back of the shovel head.